Hello guys,
We are
ito
almost
pala
about to
nangyari
taxi,
sa Air
but
India.
this AC is not
Di pa
working.
lang
You can
umaalis,
feel
may mga problema na palang
it. And
napansin.
it's
Itong pasahero na to, nag-vlog sa loob ng
so many
eroplano.
people they are using these
Yan,
magazines.
ang init sa
AC
loob
is
ng
not
eroplano.
working at all. And as
Hindi
usual, your
gumagana
TV
yung
screens
TV,
are also not working.
screen,
Neither this button
pati yung
for calling
remote,
the cabin crew.
pinipress
Nothing is
niya.
working. Nothing. Not even the light
Tapos
is
ang init
working.
kasi walang easy.
Is this what you are providing?
Ito
And
pala
as
ang
usual, that is why Air India is
usually
considered as one
ang
of the
pinaka-worst daw na
worst airlines in the
airplane
world.
ng India.
AC is still not working, and today it is very
Antay na sila ng 15 minutes. Yun nga guys. Grabe, ito na pala, may sign na pala na may problema yung aeroplano.
And it's a Dreamliner 787.
Pero umalis pa rin ito. Grabe, ang init. Pinagpawisan siya.
And we are here for the last 15 minutes. Nothing happening.
15 minutes na sila naghantay pero wala pa rin nangyari.
Remote
Hindi
isn't
pa rin
working.
gumagana yung TV
Nothing
screen
is
pati
working.
yung
I don't
remote.
know why. And as usual,
Wala pa rin yung
the in-flight entertainment is
AC.
not working. Leave in-flight entertainment.
Hindi pa rin gumagana.
If I talk about this light,
Grabe.
also not working.
May ano na pala. Ibig sabihin ito, may senyalis na.
It's not working either. Nothing is
Gumagana.
working. Nothing at all.
I-press niya yung remote ng TV. Ito na guys, ito yung ano, parang 3D ginawa nila. Yung paalis na yung eroplano. Yan. Okay naman tingnan yung eroplano eh. Maganda yung lipad. Pero pagdating doon sa may ano, bandang may mga ano na, bigla itong parang pababa yung lipad niya. Maka yung ano niya, mga electronics nag-shutdown na. Yan guys, oh. Pakita. Ito yung actual. Tingnan nyo guys. Bumagsak na talaga siya. Ayan. Sabog. Yan guys ang ano, dahilan.